Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to make double underline in Word. We start by opening Word and selecting the text to underline. After that, we will go to the underline icon and click on the drop-down icon that appears. Here we will see different types of underlining, but in this case we will choose double underlining. Finally, we'll see how our text now has double underlining. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.